For those who want to know how you create an Ethernet cable, you have your Cat 5 wire or Cat 6 wire. You start with orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, and then brown. Yeah. Put them in that order, hold them like this together, nice and tight. Cut them so they're square at the end. And then you get your RJ45 end, put it in, boom, simple as that. You double check as well, make sure they're nice and tight. You double check that the order is right, boom, cut, and then you need your crimp, and that's as simple as that.